Boom. Via 3, 2, 1. And the winner for the 2017 International Innovation Awards is the Reaxing. The Reaxing, demonstrated by Barbara and Andrea, is a series of flexible weights linked together to create interference, to create vibration, to create swing that forces you to react to unexpected situations. So what we're working with here is the opposition of a rigid structure like a bar or a hand weight or a kettlebell with a non-rigid structure that will never be the same thing 2 times. So your body will be reacting to the unexpected angle of force, the unexpected swing, the unexpected arm of power. This is the 2017 winner of the Innovation Award. And as you can see here, the more rings you lift, the more overload you get on your muscles. So keep some rings on the floor and you have less weight. Lift all the rings and you have more weight. One of the best things about the Reaxing is this flexible weight is you can swing it, you can throw it, you can slam it, and best of all, you can wear it on your body as an overload. It's the latest fashion trend for Reaxing. Try doing a series of 15-20 minutes of cardio, group fitness, or on the treadmill with the Reaxing on your body, and you will increase your metabolic expenditure. So from a slam ball, we can get an idea of how you can totally get your frustrations out. Slam it on the floor, and it won't hurt the floor of your body. They come in weights from 4 kilos to 2, 6 to 8. Going on to Reax Lift. The Reax Lift is a bar with water-filled discs. These discs go up to 40 kilos, 40 kg. So when these 40 kilos start moving, it really challenges your stabilizing muscles to work better, which will improve your 1 rep max when you go back to the weight room. Shock absorption, so you can throw it on the floor. It won't hit the floor, it doesn't make noise. So gym owners love it. Jean here from Venezuela is showing the bungee cord system. You have a vertical and a horizontal displacement of the weight along with the movement of the water. So this is Reax Lift, ladies and gentlemen, going into the pool. We have 4 programs created by Sayonara. Sayonara is a world champion aerobic gymnastics competitor and an international presenter. 4 programs: strength, as you just saw Barbara doing, fitness with some burpees going on, yoga and Pilates. The Reax raft is attached to the leg dividers, so in its instability, you will not float away. One of the great aspects of this Reax raft is the water displaces to the edge of the pool, comes back and moves the raft, making you trained to react to the unexpected. The hardest movement, this is the hardest position to maintain, as Barbara does very well. When I do it, I'm about to fall into the pool. On a hot day like this, it's not bad. This is the Reax raft, an awesome group fitness activity. Going on to the boards, we have Reax balance. The movement here is created by the athletes on the board. So the more they move, the faster they move, the wider their stance, the more instability you're going to get, including the fluid ball, which adds movement and instability to the upper body. Once again, this board here is created for the athletes to challenge each other. Going on to the Reax Run. The Reax Run is a high-intensity treadmill that moves angles and incline to mimic being at the beach or running in the woods. You can freeze the machine in a certain angle or pre-program the machine to work more at one angle or the other, making the athlete's strengths more and making their weaknesses even stronger. You can program this live here. So at the moment you can see, okay, Eleanor needs to work on this, so we will freeze it or make it work in a different angle. Going on to the Reax board. The Reax board is programmed live by a personal trainer or can be pre-programmed. This is a board where you can train. You can put a bench press on the board and work just as if you were in the bodybuilding area. Try putting a board on there and doing French press. Board on there doing bench press. Awesome. So Franklin is showing some very dynamic movements with upper and lower body instability. Reaxing likes to train all of the senses, even the visual sense. We have sunglasses that blink, and we have a mask here that we can cover any type of visual cue from the outside world. So his muscles are moving thanks to internal muscle sensories, and we have the bungee cord system here that is creating vertical and horizontal displacement. Thank you, Franklin. You can stay up and you can see. Okay, going on to the funnest, most playful Reax station, Reax lights. There's a program here that once the light comes on, it will tell you how fast or how slow it took you to turn it off. So you can judge how you react. Your reactivity is increasing over the course of time. So this is Reax Combat. We have our Reax board here. You can touch it with any part of your body. You can pick it. You can put it on the floor. These are magnets that can be placed at any height to challenge the athlete. Thank you, Valeria. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Reaxing 2017. My name is David Stalker. If you have any questions or want to try the equipment, ask one of our trainers. Grazie, buona domenica a tutti.